Everybody, it's Maureen Lein, your local lender with rate, here with this week's Mortgage Minute. Today is Wednesday, January 7th, and we're going to jump right into things. So the markets are a little choppy today, and that's because the investors are reacting to the much weaker than expected private sector jobs data. The latest ADP jobs report showed that the economy is still adding jobs, but at a much slower pace than expected. We saw about 41,000 new jobs in December, which was below the forecast. And most of that hiring came from those mid-sized companies, while small businesses only added modestly and large companies, well, they barely hired at all. The slowdown at the bigger, more stable employers is a sign that the labor market is cooling, not collapsing, and that cooling labor market is actually good news for interest rates. The mortgage rates are now sitting at a near 15-month low, and the national average 30-year fix is around 6.16%. And expectations are building as we're seeing or hoping that there will be 3 more Fed rate cuts in 2026. Purchases are up 10%, while refinances are up 108% week over week, and there were some modest declines to be expected due to the holidays. Existing home sales are expected to rise from 1.7% to 3% this year, and inventory is expected to increase nearly 9%, giving buyers more options and also more negotiating power. Regionally, the South and West are seeing price growth flatten thanks to all the new construction, while the Midwest and the Northeast remain tight due to the limited supply. Finally, Catality reported home values dipped slightly in November, but they're projecting 4.3% appreciation over the next year. And their outlook is assuming rates are going to continue to ease, which is going to drive more buyer demand, which then means today's window, guys, could be an opportunity for you to get ahead of the future price pressure. So as I mentioned last week, interest rates go up much faster than they come down. And so if you're waiting for the perfect moment to buy or to refinance, you can miss out on lower rates and future appreciation. So getting pre-approved now, it's going to put you in control and in the driver's seat. And if you're thinking of buying or refinancing, just reach out to me and we can have a discussion. I'm happy to walk you through it. So thanks for tuning in, everybody. I look forward to seeing you next week. And as always, don't forget to hit the like button, share, and subscribe.